Hello, I'm Thomas from Crypto and Investments. I'm a German-speaking YouTuber, and when you have lost your coins, maybe you have sent your coins to the wrong network, also with the wrong network, to your own wallet with your private keys. I can recover the coins. This is no problem for me. I have made this a lot of times for German-speaking people, and I will also do for English-speaking people worldwide. For me, it's not the problem. Maybe you send Vechain to an Ethereum network to your own private key wallet. Vechain has your own Vechain network, then the coins will be lost. I can recover it and bring it back to you. And also when you have swapped your coins, I can bring also back when they are lost. No problem. I have also done this a lot of times, and I will show you the recovery fees. This is what I take for my work. You can see here up to $500. I take 20% for me, up to $1,000, 10%, $10,000, 5%, $100,000, 3%, and over $100,000. What I will bring back to you, I will take 2% for me. I think this is really fair. I have done it a lot of time. You can contact me. I will link my email address in the comments, and then you can write me an email and I will help you. No problem. Okay, bye.